Introduction. It doesn't matter if you run a well-established business or you are managing a startup. It doesn't matter how much of a budget you're working with. Like it or not, and believe it or not, the main way you can make people become aware of your company's brand and eventually consume the products or services your company offers is through advertising. Free advertising. Why choose Facebook ads? As you probably already know, there is no such thing as a perfect solution. Any option will have its own list of advantages and disadvantages. Facebook is not immune to this fact. The benefits of Facebook advertising. Facebook has a robust and powerful high-tech advertising targeting system. Facebook is still relative to the basics you need to know before creating your first Facebook ad campaign. Before you get your first campaign going, it's crucial that you have a good understanding of what makes up a Facebook ad. The basic parts of a Facebook ad. Schedule. Amount of time the ad will run for. Budget. Amount of money you're going to pay Facebook for running your ads throughout the life of the... How does Facebook's ad system operate? As you can probably already tell, Facebook has a lot of users and this creates a lot of ad inventory. After all, when a user loads many different pages as they check out different types of content on Facebook, these pages can be used to show ads. This is what makes up Facebook's ad inventory. Bidding system. How to get started on your Facebook ad marketing campaign. What follows is an overview of the 6 general steps you need to take to run a Facebook ad campaign using the Facebook Ads Manager. Please understand that we're not going to be using Power Editor. We're going to be using the default Ads Manager Facebook makes available to the general public. Step number one, create your Facebook page and your business account. If you're going to create a Facebook page for marketing purposes, you must first create a personal account. The account will then control the Facebook page. You're going to run ads on the Facebook page, but it is tied to an account. Once you have put up a page, you can then run ad campaigns. Step number 2, access the Facebook Ads Manager. Once you create a Facebook page, you can then create a Facebook Ads account. This would enable you to access the Ad Manager. If you're unclear, look at your Facebook page and look at the top right side. It should have some sort of downward arrow. Click on that and you'll see the option Manage Ads. Step number 4, create a Facebook ad campaign. In this video, I'm going to step you through the process of running an actual Facebook ad campaign. In the previous video, we concentrated on identifying your audience members. Please keep in mind that getting a clear idea of who your audience members are is not a one-time thing. It's something that you're going to have to. Step number 5, create an ad and run your campaign. By this point, you should have reverse engineered your competitor's profile. You should have made educated guesses as to what kind of ads they run or which of their posts they have promoted. It's a good idea to go through all their pages' posts once again. Please understand that not all your competitors' ads will show up. Step number 6, monitor your campaign carefully. As I've mentioned previously, it's always a good idea to run several ads at once. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You may get all excited about a particular image. You might even think that it's the best thing since sliced bread. But that's just all in your head. Conclusion. Make no mistake, mastering the Facebook advertising system is neither quick nor easy. It also isn't cheap. You need to maximize every single second you spend trying to figure out Facebook's advertising platform. You have to make it produce value. The good news is, if you have the right attitude and you really allow yourself to learn Facebook,